both engineering companies, a standard solution was applied with proper boiler room for gas combustion. The same can be applied to liquid fuels. The heating water is supplied to the radiant strips installed under the truss bands. In every manufacturing nave, 2 strips are installed knitted together into one heating body. All the operating valves are installed at floor level. That's why the operation and maintenance requirements are considerably lower. It can be seen that coloured solution of all the building constructions and white radiant strips forms a very pleasant working environment. Safety and absolute noiseless operation of the heating system contributes to the comfort of the environment. Radiant heating in combination with heat recovery and ventilation by means of large area outlets can save you approximately 60% of energy needed to heat the ventilated air.